Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm a set builder in the film industry. Today we are going to talk about how to use acrylic markers on glass surfaces. We are going to show you some creative ways to use glass objects, such as a wind chime using microscope glass panels, decorated semi-transparent colored glass bottle, and the frosted glass diffuser. Other surfaces and inspirations can be found on our website and YouTube channel. Links are in the description. And as always, if you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and follow us for other tips and tricks. Using the markers on glass requires an average of 3 minutes drying time. Regarding its color, the glass can be transparent, semi-transparent, non-transparent, or opaque. Using Schneider markers, you can get a different effect in each of these cases. Don't be afraid to experiment. Another category of glass is the shape of its surface, which can be flat or curved in some way. In each case, the technique you paint with should be different. Be careful because the marker may flow out of control on curved and slippery surfaces. I highly recommend waiting for the drying time to work safely and efficiently with the marker. In some cases, the surface can also be rough and matte, like frosted surfaces. In these cases, the drying time can even be a bit shorter. If you want to create a piece for decoration, no further surface treatment is required. But if you plan on using the item, you will end up rubbing the surface, so you might want to use some varnish to keep its original look for as long as possible. Our first item today is going to be a wind chime. I'm going to decorate some glass microscope panels with acrylic markers. I will mix and match various patterns to create a funky combination of decor. Feel free to get creative when decorating the panels. You can color the whole area, paint on a pattern, or merge a combination of colors. Now that the patterns have dried, I can glue the panels together in pairs, placing a fishing line in between each pair. To make sure my panels are an even distance away, I will be using my marker's cap as a reference. Finally, I'm going to fix the strings onto a plastic coaster. You want them to be close enough to each other that they collide when moved by a breeze or wind, but not so close that they touch all the time. The next bit of crafting today is going to be a decorated colored glass bottle. For the pattern, I decided to draw an animal figure. First, I'm going to use the 2mm tip marker to draw on the outline of the animal, then a thicker one to fill it in. You don't have to wait before coloring your pattern, but if you want to be extra sure that the outline colors don't mix with the fillers, you can allow for some extra drying time. Don't worry if you make any mistake. You can use a wet cotton ear pick to wipe off any excess paint. If you want to shorten your drying times, you can always use a hairdryer. I'm going to go over it again with a second coat to really intensify the pattern's look on the bottle. The pattern has dried off nicely, so now I'm going to place a small light inside to really make the drawing stand out. Our final piece today will be a lovely frosted glass diffuser. I'm going to use a 50mm thick tip black marker to draw the main contours of my piece. My goal with this will be to try and paint a somewhat hypnotic pattern on it. Now that it's dried, to create the fun and wavy feel we are looking for, I will be using a touch of blue, red and yellow along the black lines to get the almost distorted effect. This concludes our video on painting glass surfaces. For more inspiration regarding decorating glass objects, you can visit our website. If you like our video, make sure to hit the like button and follow us on YouTube and on our social media channels.